Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's tap on it. Right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to first of all open the settings and as you can see the second bar is tightly connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options, so the off option, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me set 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to simply tap on it. Since it is highlighted in this yellowish orangish color, it means that it has been applied. Unfortunately here in the camera you cannot see any icon or basically anything that will show you that you've got the timer, but all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course you can change it the same way to 3, 5 seconds delay or turn it off. Just tap on this clock icon and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.